USD starts off with Cassie Carvalho, Marga Altea, Embanagua, Angge Poyo, Saisa Gula, Julia Balingit, and Tete Tepito, their team captain, their starting libero. For UP naman, Jazz Mangilimutan, Nina Itang, Cassie Gamboa, and Casey Tongallo, Ira Boneta, Sara Ali, and Gisha Capistrano naman magsisimulang libero para sa kanila. And the anticipation very immense for the debut of Julia Balingit versus UP here in the Shakey Super League. This set brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Surface error to begin para kay Cassie Carvalho. Tongallo not starting with Jelay Gajero and Kisi Madriaga. While for UST, this is perceived to be their main lineup for UST. Mangilimutan, 1-1-2 play. Ingit. Read well by the defense of UP. So far they've held Balingit in check. Tongallo picked up by Bepito. From the back row, Angge Poyo is able to score.
More confident, and as well as carry her team as an ate or as the senior of the squad.
Nina Itang.
Really want to see what Julia Balingit can do for UST.
Tongallo with a drop shot, but UP managed. Carvalho shoots it up to Saisa Gula. And gets
needed nga was to sit down with the coaching staff and PTs at binigyan niya muna ng isang buwan yung team to recover from the tough grind of their last season.
And those are the core players you really need. You need a setter, you need a libero, and a good hitter. So no problem for UST as Balingit hits that home.
That's her first score. Haboneta guides it over and gets it to go. Angge Poyos rising up from the right pin, and P still on top, 12-10. Carvalho setting up Gula, denied by Nina Itang. Good serve as well. Running attack, Nina Itang detonating for UP. Wahe, Mangilimutan, pupunta sa kabila, Sara Ali. Buhay pa para sa Uste.
Good hustle by USC.
Mangilimutan guiding it to Cassie Tongallo, sent back to the friend zone.
Good serve.
Bump set by Mangilimutan. Sara Ali bumalik na naman sa panig nila with that serve. Mangilimutan, pinuntahan si Gamboa. Isa Gamboa puts that one in. Coach Fabio here in the first set para dito sa UP. As Angge Poyos though, able to respond with that, the wings. Nina Itang, Carvalho tried to save it, pero yung second ball halos wala na doon.
So the blockers should be able to read her tendencies by now.
Poyos had to adjust, but she makes it anyway. Good serve. Tongallo picks it up. Haboneta, another block. Poyos, another good serve. Marga Altea unwrapping an early Christmas present.
Now a chance for UP. They go to Itang with that running attack.
Which so far UST hasn't found an answer to. Tongallo from the left pin. It's good. To try and mix things up here. Julia Balingit gets denied. Second time. Gajero, first ball. Tongallo hammers that one through. And what a first set galing dito sa UP Fighting Maroons. Era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Kayla Cordora. You've got Yeshanol Seha there and Jan Baklay to round out that unit for UP. Kayla Cordora getting...
It's not just only for the players, it's for the coaches as well, because this is an all-to-play season. in the Shakey's Super League.
Lango. Pepito bumps it up. Avril Bron puts it in. Tatlo sila dyan. Yesha Noceja and Kian Olango. Papek. Naipasok ni Blessing.
Up.
Avril Bron from the right pin. Yes, sir. From Kayla Cordora.
That's still good.
Noceja. It's in. Cross-court beauty from Yesha Noceja.
Definitely.
And right on cue, Steph Arasan. Getting better. Maraming lumalakas. Maraming pumapasok na players. And well, so far, it's a pretty much competitive ball game here. UST up 9-5 from the back row. Yesha Noceja gets it to go. Between UST and UP. Bien Bansil na ipasok.
That
Madriaga. That's a familiar play. They've run time and time again. Sorry, that was Fernandez who got to the first ball. Cordora was denied emphatically by the wall of the Fighting Maroons.
good serve.
Wahe, back quick, papunta kay Blessing Unekwe. Action picking up here. Nice block from the Golden Tigresses. Ninya Itang dumps it down for UP. Jelay. Nothing Coronado could do there. Cajero puts it away.
Good pass by Det.
Avril Bron puts it in.
Gallo, although they hit the libero this time.
Dongallo left it short.
Reception.
Poyos puts it in. Angge Poyos. Madriaga sa gitna. Itang. Avril Bron. And the UST faithful erupts as UST closes out the second set. Era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's.
So for this match, these are the players who are the best picks for both coaches. You have Braun with 9 points, Poyos with 7, and Unekwe with 4 for UST.
Cordora. Itang and Dongallo with 7 each. Cajero with 6. Block point. Blessing Unekwe.
Good reach by Blessing.
And point goes to UST. Angge Poyos denied by Bien Bansil. Sent back was Dongallo. They go to the other side. Kian Olango. She gets that one to go. Third set. Pepito barely getting that one up. Cordora rising up and scoring from the left pin. Kian Olango.
Blessing with that power tip.
Last season due to an injury recovery. When I asked about the condition of Sai Sagulangak, so far she shared that this is actually her first tournament since. And
Against one of the top contenders in the league. Cassie Dongallo though was rejected. Carvalho papunta kay Angge Poyos. Down the line hit from Angge. Kian Olango. Off the block it goes. And Olango will score. That particular UAP season. But she's recovering nicely. But Ninya Itang, my goodness. Much more force, more intent.
Good touch on the block.
From the pipe, Cajero. Altea was Poyos with
Good
Cajero there.
defense.
Nice defense. Dongallo punctuates that rally with a cross-court hit. Jayla Cajero and Kian Olango to complement her well. And as well as the vast improvement of Bien Bansil. Poyos sent back. Pepito pops it up. Avril Bron. 1-2 play. Nicely done from Cassie Carvalho.
See, and right now, that's Escobar.
Tongalio, right on cue. Puts it away. How about that? Angge Poyos with, well, set number 4 underway, and it's brought to you by Shakey's from era to era to era. The fear that we have not seen since the first set was Julia Balingit. So far, hirap na hirap pa rin sila dito.
What would be their errors and also their inconsistencies? Because they're a team.
And Poyos, he's had a few points here and there, but we haven't seen the usual.
Good pass by Dongalio going to Bansil. And she gets that point.
Yeah. Alyo, nabalik ang bola sa UP. Mangilimutan sa gitna. Bien Bansel. Nabantayan ng maigi doon ni Marga Altea.
Good serve.
Mangilimutan. Pinuntahan si Olango. Naihulog yung bola doon para sa UP. Uy.
Poyos is roofed.
Hinyaitang. Yun eh. Hindi. Saka ako nababanggitin.
Miscommunication on the side of UST. Gajero's blocked.
Gajero changing it up, man. UP. Good serve again from Bien Bansel. Nicely done though by Angge Poyos with a response. Poyos trying to put it away. She can't. Gajero was denied. What a sequence. They reclaim the lead. 12-11. Banagua again. Kian Lulango.
Good touch by Poyos. Carvalho goes to Balingit. Cross court.
Balingit puts it in. UST will reset their offense. Balingit saved by Carvalho, but it will go out. Naregaluhan doon si Bansil. Gajero picks it up. Left pin attack again. Nice. Up there by Det Pepito, and UST with Kyla Cordova getting that one in. Dongalio had to adjust. Poyos from the pipe. Angge Poyos. Running attack. Altea cross court. Poyos. Capistrano with the dig. Poyos able to deny Cassie Dongalio. Madriaga. Pinuntaan si Dongalio. And that time she scores.
Good pass.
Kian Olango able to break through the block. Banagua, she was able to put that one in. What a fourth set para dito kay M. Balingit. Olango picks it up from the pipe. Dongalio was blocked by M. Banagua.
Banagua loving that block of hers. A single block. Extending this match to a 5th set.
I mean, M. Banagua just lit it up here in the 4th set. Para sa UST, this set brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's.
Banagua, first point here in the 5th set.
To Poyos.
Good dig.
Poyos, napayungan. Carvalho, pupuntahan si Balingit. Julia Balingit, able to get that one. Pangilimutan, pinuntaan si Dongalio. Nakapuntos na sa wakas ang UP in this set. Cassie.
Perfect pass by Det. Poyos powering through those blockers.
Angge Poyos with another point. Balingit, denied by Nina Itang.
Good serve. Pepito with another perfect pass. Poyos from the back row.
Naiangat ni Cassie Dongallo. Jelay Gajero on the left pin.
One hand save by Poyos. And
Nice.
moved by Itang.
Ninya Itang getting it across.
Ninya Itang trying to keep her team alive. Good up by Gula. Altea with that running attack.
On the right side. Poyos.
Good
Find it.
target by Poyos going down the line in that placement. That's over. Banagua gets it. Back to Poyos, cross court.
I mean, are you even surprised at this point, Gaira? Poyos ulit.
Good read.
Olango. Napayungan ni Poyos. Nicely done from Ira Aboneta. Good service from Mangilimutan. Ang Poyos denied by Bien Mansell. Serve. She gets it in. Poyos. Another denial. We are tied. 13-all.
They go to Braun, cross court.
UP with Dongallo cross court as well.
One hand save from Pepito. That's a gift, and it's inside.
Wow, Bien Mansell. How about her, Ira? Pepito, the pass. Poyos, another block. Balingit will send it over. Chance ball for UP. Dongallo puts it away!
UP with a come from behind win.
Putting this one to bed. This fight brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
And it's just their first match. Wow, what a show from...
And just the way to cap off the weekend here in the Shaky Super League Preseason Unity Cup. Day 2 pa lang po tayo, but it has certainly produced fireworks in these first 2 days. And the University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons showing us that they should be a force to be reckoned with here in the Shaky Super League. And Coach Fabio Menta earning his first win here in the preseason. Although we remember they participated in the Davao leg, but this is a sweet victory over UP. 25-22, 18-25, 25-19, 18-25, and 15-13. We'll be right back for more of